Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please do me good by clicking the subscribe button and also clicking the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get our videos anytime I upload. And also to my returning viewers, this is Elvis Driver saying a big thank you. Thank you very much. So this morning I'll be doing a truck tour on my truck. My truck broke down on New Year Day in Ogoni in Rivers State. So the truck broke down, the container shifts, all the chassis under, and the U channel they braked and the truck wanted to fall, but thank God and I managed it. I took it to a welder in Ogoni there just to tack it a little light so that I can manage it and come back to Port Harcourt. So now I'm live in Port Harcourt. So take a very good look at the truck. The back is not closing anymore. The truck bent. You see the door? One is short, the other one is up. You can't close, and there's no way I'm going back to Lagos with this kind of truck just like this. So I must put it in order. So I took the truck to the best welder in Transamadi, AGK engineers in Transamadi area. They are the best in fixing this kind of issue. So I took it there. Just take a very good look at the truck again. See, you see the door? None of the hook is closing. Take a good look at the underneath. No way I'm taking this truck to Lagos like this, so we have to fix it. We've ordered for U channel like 14 or 12 to put it in order. They will put U channel under the truck so that the truck will stretch up again. So I will update you guys. You see? See. Mercedes-Benz V10 engine. That's the engine capacity of this motor. Take a very good look at the under again. See. You see all this place. You see? I just managed it to come back to Port Harcourt. So, but now I'm in Port Harcourt and it's there in Transamadi. I've parked the truck for the guy to put it in order. So maybe at the end of the video, I will show his number, because this is the best place. If you want to extend your container, you want to add chassis to your motor, you want to build a new truck container on top of your motor. So this is the best place, an affordable place you can do it. If you are anywhere close to Port Harcourt, this is the best place you can do it. And he's the best when it comes to fixing this kind of issue. Take a very good look at what this is. Rust. Due to the bad some bad roads in Lagos. Roads. How do you see? You see? So what is to be fixed within a period of maybe 2 days or 3, everything will be okay. Take a close look. Yeah? See?